Fighting Maroons. Aabante po ng isang puntos. Itong Lady Tamaraos, 23-22.
Great pass. Kasi
Solid medal for this Moraita-based squad.
Faida Bacangke and Jazz Eliarina knew exactly how to guard Cassie Dongalio.
Parang puso ng tapusin ng FEU right now. Match point na po sila, 24-22. But that's gonna be a crucial error though from Asis.
Yep. But FEU will only need 1 point to secure that semi-final spot. But of course, if you're UP, you can't afford to commit any errors here.
Pero kung ikaw si Coach Tina Salang, swear call for a quick pause.
Okay.
Kailangan natin nandito yung pasok.
Sa gitna.
Kailangan lang sino middle? Middle just, kailangan mo tumit.
Gitna. Short three.
No, kailangan dito.
Ikaw.
Okay. Third to. Pwede tayo dito.
Pwede po.
Pina-open, pero dito tayo.
Okay.
Focus tayo, pasa mo.
That huddle was powered by Kick. Download the app now.
Coach Tina just polishing that play, the system that she has in store for her girls there. Nothing too fancy. Ang gusto niya lang is execution because all that they need right now is just a single point.
Slot in the Final Four. Will FEU be able to take it? Match point. Cassie Dongalio comes alive! Not yet! Not yet! We're going to an extended set after that Cassie Dongalio cross-court kill.
You know what, Daphne? Lagi ko nga nababanggit, super silent ni Cassie Dongalio so far, but this time, at the most crucial time, she really stood up.
Gotta love Faida Bacangke's showing here on this game. She has been consistent in all sets. And she has not been picky. Lagi niyang nagagawa ng paraan. That is Faida Bacangke. Second match point.